So imagine when our cells or a tissue experiences a stimulus, once again on a continuum of good and bad stress. Your body has to have a reflex. How do you get those reflexes? Well, you get a little strand of DNA from mom and dad. Let's say hypothetically, and it happens in nature, where mom and dad aren't here after you're born. Well, you would have all types of information throughout your DNA in absolutely every one of your cells. Imagine your DNA like a holograph. And if you were to drop yourself like a piece of glass, that every cell went across the floor. Each piece of those, every cell would have your DNA and could be replicated back into you again. So remember, the body records all your experiences so that whenever your nervous system is accessing that cell, it can use the body's wisdom in order to adapt you to stress. So whenever our bodies go into the continuum of good and bad stress, the recordings that we receive from mom and dad, let alone your own experience as you continue with life, we're able to access these lines of information from our lineage and decide what are we going to access. And one might say, man, that seems like a lot of thought. Well, remember, it doesn't happen on our units of time. Your software is not designed by man's units of time. So therefore, what would seem like extremely fast is actually relative to really the software and how it was created. It doesn't know time like we do. So all of these actions are going on simultaneously, and if you think about it, when people heal, as we've heard like miracles, it's really adaptation. When the body actually accesses not only the proper information between the brain cell and the tissue cell loop, but also all the other disciplines in life of eating well, moving well, and thinking well, then the body's able to reorganize and achieve homeostasis or balance. It may be at a different level than you started, but it is all about adaptation. Chiropractic is about increasing that loop for your most optimal expression, your ability to heal at its best. Remember, healing, if you replace the word heal with adaptation, it is literally the same word. It's like weather. Weather, you have a 100% chance of that happening today. What will it look like? That's the variability. Health is no different. 100% chance today. What will it look like for you? That is what you have control over.